How to become a TikTok affiliate without 1,000 followers. So hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a way on how you can become a TikTok affiliate without having 1,000 followers. However, this process is not available for everyone because not everyone may be able to complete this step and this process. So let's get started. First off, you just need to simply open your TikTok application, and right here, all you need to do is to click on your profile icon once you've opened it. Now, once you've clicked on the profile icon, what you're going to do next is to click on the three-line button in the upper right-hand corner. Afterwards, what you're going to do next is go to Settings and Privacy. When you are already here in your settings and privacy, click on account. Once you've clicked on account, you just need to click on the switch to business account button. And basically hit on next and enter all the necessary information that you are being asked. Say for example, let's have media and entertainment, let's have next, and then input your address, and then you can click on create now, and there you have it. So that's about it for today's video guys. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and thank you so much for watching.